Hello my 8th class children, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. So children, in this video I have brought for you the sample paper of mathematics. I know that most of you are scared of mathematics, but I'm sure this sample paper is going to help you in preparing for this test. The maximum marks of this paper is at 60 and time duration is 2 hours 30 minutes, and this paper is completely based on your NCERT book, NCERT syllabus. Or let us start the video, but before that, if you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Please listen to the questions till the end, because this is going to help you a lot in preparing for your maths test. So let us start reading it. We are going to start with section A, which is multiple choice 1 markers. So first question is, a linear equation in one variable has only one solution, two solutions, more than two solutions, or no solution. Second one, which of the following numbers is not a perfect square? So you have been given 4 numbers, you have to tell which is not a perfect square. तो square root निकाल के आपको देखना पड़ेगा. The square root of 1296 is dash. The one digit of 107 का क्यूब रूट, वंस डिजिट पे क्या आता है 107 के क्यूब पे, सॉरी क्यूब रूट नहीं क्यूब. The cube root of 0.000064 is dash. A book marked at rupees 96 is sold for rupees 72. What is the rate of discount? The sum of 4x square y and 8x y square is dash. If an edge of a cube is doubled, then its surface area will become dash. For a non-zero rational number, a7 divided by a12 is equal to dash. The factors of a square plus b minus ab minus a are dash. Which of the following points lies on the x-axis? What are the coordinates of origin? So all are multiple choice questions. You have to choose the correct option. Now we come to the section B, which are 2 marks questions. So the first question is, the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 24. Find the numbers. Find the smallest number by which 3872 can be divided to get a perfect square. Find the edge of the cube if its volume is 5832 cubic centimeter. Next is assertion reasoning. So assertion is 7xy, 8xy minus 2 by 3xy are like terms, and the reason is when the terms have the same literal factors or variables, they are called like terms. So second one is, assertion is 8ab is a binomial, and the reason is if an expression contains 2 terms, it is called a binomial. So very simple assertion reasoning questions. I hope you have understood. Next question is, express the size of a plant cell. The size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. Write it in standard form. You know how to write in a standard form. Next part, the surface area of Saturn is 4.27 into 10 raised to the power 10 kilometer. Write it in the usual form. Next is question number 18, factorization. You have to factorize x square minus 4x minus 12. Next we come to section C, which have 3 mark questions. So at what rate percent per annum will sum of rupees 15,625 will become 19,683 in 3 years when the interest is compounded annually? Next question is, a milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Next is, find the value of m. So expression is given, you have to find the value of m. Next, a train moves at a uniform speed of 60 kilometers per hour using a time distance graph. Find the distance covered in 2.5 hours, and B part is the time taken to cover 180 kilometers. Now we come to section D. So first question is, find the product of a minus 1 into a plus 1, a square plus 1, a square, a4 plus 1. And then its value for a is equal to minus 1. Then later on you have to put the value also of a and then find the answer. Right. Next question is, a number increased by 20% and then is decreased by 20%. Find the net increase and decrease in percent. Next question is, find the area of hexagon ABCDEF if AD is 8 meter, AJ is 6 meter, AI is 5 meter, AH is 3 meter, AG is 2.5 meter, and FG, BH, EI and CJ are perpendiculars on the diagonal AD from vertices F, B, E and C respectively with lengths shown in the figure. Right. Now we come to section E. सो सेक्शन ई में जो है क्वेश्चंस वो 4 मार्क ईच है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वन डे इन क्लास 8th Kumar sir is explaining the factorization by regrouping. So you can read this question from the screen. I am just going to ask you the questions. Answer the following questions based on the above information. तो इसमें आपको फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है एक तो, ठीक है. Then find the factors of 15ab plus 27abc and then factorize x square minus 49. Next question. Rajan, who has bought a new house, wants to paint the walls and ceiling of his hall. The cuboidal hall is having length 25 meter, breadth 20 meter and its height is 21 meter. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. So इसके 2 parts हैं, 2 marks each, total 4 marks. So ये आपका है, इसकी dimensions given है. Find the area of 4 walls, first part, and second part is what is the total painted area. Clear? Next question is, this is a very long question. I am not going to read it. You can read it on your own. I am just going to read the parts. ये ग्राफ भी गिवन है आपको, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इसके जो पार्ट्स हैं वो देख लो. इन विच ईयर रोहन एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स कलेक्टेड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स. तो आप देख सकते हैं ग्राफ में लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स किस ईयर में उसने कलेक्ट किए हैं. फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स कलेक्टेड इन वेरियस ईयर्स. हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स डिड दे कलेक्ट इन ऑल, टोटल आपको बताना है. फाइंड द सम ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स दे कलेक्टेड इन 2 लीप ईयर्स. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन कौन से इसमें लीप ईयर्स हैं. तो जो 2 लीप ईयर्स में नंबर ऑफ जो कलेक्ट की गई हैं वो आपको उनका सम देना है. राइट. सो दैट इज़ ऑल चिल्ड्रन फॉर दिस मैथ्स सैम्पल पेपर. आई होप कि आपको ये हेल्प करेगा. एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड इट यूज़फुल, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर.